Well, spring begins in just 21 short days. That spring equinox will be on March 20th this year in 21 days, and it definitely felt like spring outside today. Looking at our high temperatures, we saw highs reaching the mid-50s across the area, high of 56 degrees here in Charleston. We did reach a high of 57 in certain parts of the area as well. And along with that, we saw mostly clear skies here on Eastern's campus and across most of the area. Now, those sunny skies also contributed to feel more like spring throughout the day today. Now, looking at our current temperatures, you can still get out there and enjoy most of those warmer temperatures with temperatures around 51 degrees currently here in Charleston. We are beginning to drop down into the 40s in the eastern half of our viewing area, but as we move overnight tonight, our entire viewing area will drop down to a low of 37 degrees overnight tonight, but those mostly clear skies will stay with us as we move overnight. Mostly clear skies along with winds blowing out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now those winds will come into play as we move into tomorrow, but first we're going to see those mostly clear skies stay with us overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, and then those mostly clear skies will stay with us throughout the entire day tomorrow. So we're going to be seeing clear skies throughout the day, a few clouds making their way into the viewing area as we finish off our day tomorrow, but along with those clear skies, we're also going to be seeing a high of 64 degrees tomorrow. So it's going to be another nice spring-like day tomorrow, but it's going to be a windy day tomorrow. Now tomorrow we are going to be under a wind advisory, and that's because of these winds blowing out of the south to southwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour. So it's going to be very windy outside, and now because of this, we're going to be under a wind advisory that will be put in place at 9 a.m. tomorrow and last until 2 p.m. tomorrow. And this wind advisory is put in place partially because of those winds and also because of the wind gusts that we're seeing that will be blowing out of the southwest up to 40 miles per hour in some areas, 44 miles per hour here in Charleston in the morning hours. And as we move into the afternoon, these wind gusts will drop down just a little bit, but still blowing out at 42 miles per hour, at least here in Charleston, out of the southwest as we make our way throughout the day tomorrow. Now looking forward to the next 3 days, we are going to see temperatures begin to drop down. We're going to see a high of 36 degrees on Saturday, another cold day as we start our weekend, a slight warm up as we make it to Sunday with a high of 41 degrees with clear skies. But as we start our next work week, temperatures will begin to cool back down with a high of 38 degrees with a chance of rain on Monday, and that rain will continue as we move further into the work week. And along with that, we're also going to see temperatures looking past that for the next 6 to 10 days, right around average. That average for this time of year is typically in the mid to upper 40s. And looking forward, we're definitely going to see that looking past the next 7 days. But first, we're going to see a drop in temperature as we start our weekend with a high of 36 degrees, a slight warm up on Sunday, back down into the 30s as we start our work week with a rainy start to our work week. We're going to see rain on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but as we make it into the midweek next week, we're going to see temperatures begin to warm back up with a high of 59 degrees on Tuesday, slight cool down as we make it to Wednesday with a high of 49 degrees. But as we make it to Thursday, we're going to see temperatures begin to level back out into the mid 40s.